Hey automotive enthusiasts, your certified mechanic Mike here, and today we're diving into something that affects every single one of us, fuel myths that are costing you money and potentially damaging your vehicle. After 15 years in the shop, I've seen firsthand how these misconceptions can lead to expensive repairs. Let's set the record straight. Imagine throwing away hundreds of dollars yearly at the pump for absolutely no benefit. That's exactly what many drivers are doing, and today I'm going to show you why. Stay tuned, because myth number 3 might be secretly damaging your car right now. Myth number 1. Premium gas makes every car perform better. Let me take you under the hood for a moment. That premium fuel you're splurging on, it's like buying expensive racing shoes for a casual walk. Complete overkill for most vehicles. Here's what the fuel companies don't tell you. Octane rating isn't about quality, it's about timing. It's specifically engineered for high-compression engines that need precisely timed combustion. In your standard vehicle, that premium gas burns exactly the same as regular fuel, just at a premium price. Real-world tip. Check your owner's manual. Unless it specifically calls for premium fuel, you're literally watching your money evaporate through your exhaust pipe. Myth number 2. Running your tank low saves money. This myth isn't just wrong, it's expensive. Let me share a recent case from my shop. Last month, I replaced a fuel pump that failed at just 60,000 miles. The cost? $800. The cost? Consistently running on a near-empty tank. Your fuel pump relies on gasoline for cooling and lubrication. Think of it like running your engine with minimal oil. You're just asking for trouble. Here's what happens. Fuel acts as a coolant for your pump. Low fuel levels expose the pump to air. Heat buildup accelerates wear. Sediment at the bottom of your tank gets sucked up. Pro tip, make quarter tank your new empty. Your fuel pump typically costs $500 to $1,000 to replace. That's a lot of fill-ups you could have bought instead. Myth number 3. The gas pump click is just a suggestion. This is one of those myths that can literally overflow into bigger problems. When you hear that click, it's not just a suggestion. It's a precision mechanism telling you your tank is at optimal capacity. Here's what actually happens when you top off. Excess fuel gets recycled back to the station. Your evaporative emissions system gets stressed. You risk fuel leakage in hot weather. Modern vehicles have complex vapor recovery systems that can malfunction. Safety alert. That extra squeeze isn't just wasteful. It can trigger your check engine light and lead to costly repairs. Myth number 4. All ethanol blended fuel is bad news. Time for some straight talk about ethanol. While pure gasoline is ideal, the reality is that most modern vehicles handle ethanol blends just fine. Here's what 20 years of mechanical experience has taught me. Modern engines, post-2001, are designed with ethanol in mind. Yes, you might see a slight efficiency drop, 3 to 4%, but the cost savings often offset this difference. What really matters is fuel quality and proper maintenance. Inside scoop, most gas stations in the same area get fuel from identical sources. The real difference, detergent additives and tank maintenance practices. Let me share something most mechanics won't tell you. The best time to fill up isn't just about tank level, it's about temperature. Fill up early morning or evening when it's cooler. Why? Gasoline density changes with temperature, and you'll get slightly more fuel for your money. Don't let these myths drain your wallet or damage your vehicle. Hit subscribe and tap that notification bell. Every week, I'm sharing insider tips that could save you thousands in repairs and maintenance. Drop a comment below with your fuel-related questions, and I'll answer them in our next video. Remember, taking care of your car isn't just about what you do, it's about what you know. Until next time, this is Mike, your certified mechanic, helping you drive smarter.